Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Lexus RX versus Toyota. We'll explore how these two automotive giants, both from the same parent company, cater to different drivers. While Lexus targets the luxury segment with refined interiors and advanced technology, Toyota focuses on practicality, efficiency, and broad appeal. Understanding these distinctions will help you decide which vehicle best fits your lifestyle and budget. When it comes to performance, Lexus RX models often boast more powerful engine options like a 3.5-liter V6 and a smoother, quieter ride. Their interiors feature premium materials, advanced infotainment systems, and enhanced driver assist technologies. Toyota, on the other hand, emphasizes fuel economy, with many models achieving over 30 miles per gallon, and offers robust, user-friendly features designed for everyday reliability and family needs. Price is a significant differentiator. A new Lexus RX can start around $50,000, reflecting its luxury positioning. Toyota models like the RAV4 or Highlander usually begin in the $30,000 range, offering excellent value. While the initial investment differs, both brands are known for their exceptional reliability and strong resale values, meaning your vehicle will retain a good portion of its worth over time. So who should choose which? If you prioritize a luxurious driving experience, cutting-edge technology, and premium comfort, the Lexus RX is likely your ideal choice. However, if you're looking for a dependable, fuel-efficient vehicle with a strong emphasis on practicality and a more accessible price point, a Toyota model will serve you well. Both offer incredible quality, just tailored to different preferences. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.